linear equation in one variable standard 8. Before starting today's session, let's we do some physical exercise. Okay, ready with your stationaries, notebook, textbook, ball pen, etc. Let's see the picture is shown on your screen. Did you see anywhere this picture, student? This instrument is there. Yes. You've seen these things in the market. Yes, goldsmith, Sony Bazaar. What is the use of this instrument? Yes, for weighing the things. So very nice. You are so clever. Very good. Okay, and then there are how many pans are there? 2 pans are there. This is the pan number 1 and pan number 2. Oh, very nice. Where we are keeping the weights? In our picture you can find this is the weight kept on left side. And on right side what the things are there? Yes, goods. Whatever you are going to purchase. And how you will purchase the things? Yes, when this balance is showing at middle and the both pans should be in equal, otherwise one up and one down like this way, and it is moving like this way. When it become equal, then and then only the businessman will give us the things. Suppose here the picture shows the 9 kilogram cap. First time the shopkeeper kept the goods of 4 kg. What will happen, student? Yes, the weight will be downside and the goods pan will be little up. Now what the businessman can do? Yes, businessman can add some more goods and then after it will make the balance. How much goods he will put? Yes, he will add 5 kg more. So he add 5 kg and then after the balance will become equal. And nowadays you will find an electronic weighing machine. In there only no pans are there. Only numberings are shown. Good. Now you understood the pan and use of the pan. What is the use of pan in our this lesson? Linear equation in one variable. Students, in our classes that equation is nothing. An equation is a statement of equality which contains one or more unknown quantity or quantities or variables is called an equation. Understood, student? Yes, very good. Now see, what is a linear equation in one variable? An equation is called linear equation if it has only 1 degree. That means the highest power of the variable appearing in equation is 1. And the form of linear equation is like this way. Px is equal to ax plus b is equal to 2. Or you can say in yellow color x plus 5 is equal to 0. Third example, x upon 2 minus 7 is equal to 15. Oh, you have the problem to read out. So I will write here x upon 2 minus 7 is equal to 15. Yes, student. This is the equation. An equation has two parts. Left hand side part, right hand side part. In between there is equal to sign. And this is a linear equation. Linear means only x, not x square, x cube, etc. 1 degree. It has only 1 degree. Okay. The value of the variable for which left hand side and right hand side called a solution of the linear equation. My dear student, here if you put the value of x which gives us both sides equal, it is the solution of the linear equation. Let's check further. How many terms are there? The terms are here 7n plus 2. This 7n is one term and 2 is his second term. And what about the coefficient? Yes, with term and variable. Variable can denoted by an alphabet, anyone, A, B, C, D, etc. And what about the constant? Constant is a fixed number, only numbers. With the variable, whatever number is multiplied, it is called coefficient. And between these two terms, there will be a sign of addition or subtraction. It is called operation or operator. You understood the meaning of variable and constant? Vary means different. It changes its value, not fixed. Suppose I can write here x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. So here each and every time the value of x is changing. That's why it's a variable. But the 3, 2 and 4, this is the fixed value. It is never changed. The number remain as it is. Understood? 2 always become 2 only. But in here example, x is changing each and every time values. Now one step equation. 15 plus x is equal to 24. Yes, student? Oh, that means number is written first, variable is second. We already knowing the alternation of the sequence. It's never change the any operation. You can write 15 first, x second, or you can write x first, 15 second. So both are the same one. Here, what we have to do? There are two ways to find the solution. Very easy method is there. Suppose we can see what is on the left side. Let's check. Left side is 15 plus x. Very good, student. This is my left side. And what is my right side? 24. Yes, this 15 plus x is on left side, 24 on right side, and in between there is a is equal to sign. Yes, student. Suppose I want to get the value of x, what I have to do? I have to remove 15 from left side. So check the sign of number. A sign of number is plus, addition. To remove the number, we should have to subtract. So I can put 15 on left side, but that 15 is a negative number now. 15 minus I will put it here. So if I put the 15 left side, same way I have to put 15 on right side also, student. Why? Yes, both side equal pan. Understood? Yes, equalization. That's why it's called the equation. Oh, now let's do the calculation. Simplifying. This 15 cut, this 15 cut, means plus and minus gone. What is the left on left side? Yes, only x. Good. Now what about the right side? Now calculate 24 minus 15. Who is the fastest one? Check it. Yes, you are right, my dear student. That is a 9. When become x is equal to 9, then and then the linear equation 15 plus x is equal to 24 is possible. This is the first method to find the solution. Put the same value on either sides. Okay, now second method. It's a so easy method and we will follow in next year also, in SSC also. That is which is the method? Very simple. You should have to take care whatever the equation, you should have to keep left side only variable. Whatever numbers are there, you have to shift it to right side. But there is a rule for to shifting the numbers from left to right or changing the sides. A plus number will become a minus and a minus number will become a plus. And one more, if a number with multiplied, then on the other side it will goes to the division side, means divide, denominator become. If a number in division, it will change to the other side in the multiplication sign. So we can say when shifting the number, positive number, then it become a negative number. If a negative number is there and shifting to the other side, it will become a positive number. If number is in multiplication, will goes to the other side with the division. If the number is divided on the left side, then it moves to the right side, will give us multiplication. Oh, don't think like that. You can do from the right to left also possible. So I will put here both side arrow. Oh, understood? Actually there are two terms only. Which is that one? This is the first term. You have to understand, plus to minus, minus to plus. Or second term is you can use this one. Multiply to divide and divide to multiply. Only 2 is there, not 4. But for understand, we should have to remember all the ones. This is the Ande ka funda or magic of the maths. Very good, students. So what can do for this one? Very simple. Which is the number lying on the left side? Yes, 15. And 15 is a plus number. So now it is moving or transposing to the right side. So when it is a here x, what is the right side? Yes, 24. Very good, student. Now 15 goes to right side, that it will become a minus 15. Yes, just now you gave the answer 9. So x is equal to 9 is our solution. Do you want to check your answer? Yes, very good. So wherever you find the x, you put 9. So here it will be a 15 plus 9. What is the answer? 15 plus 9? Yes, 24. So on left side 24 and on right side 24. My balance is showing correct situation. Suppose by mistake any student wrote a wrong answer and in place of 9 if he wrote here 8, then he can check it. 15 plus 8 is equal to 23, and on the right side what is there? 24. Is it equal? No, this is not equal. That means your answer is not right. So like this way also you can check your answer. Okay, this is the solution. Very good. So here student, 94 minus m is equal to 13. Any method you can use, student, but be careful. On the left side only variable we can keep. On the right side the numbers is shifting. So 94 has to move on the right side. So left side only minus m is remaining. Now right side 13 is already there. Then now this 94 plus become a minus 94. Will you do minus, student, here? Yes, you can do it and give the answer. Good. Try it. Oh, minus m. I will show you how to make it plus. Yes. What is the answer? 81. 81 is not a correct answer. Yes, you are right, my dear student. That means minus 81. Why minus 81? Because 94 is a big number. See, silly mistake. Okay, now left side minus m, right side minus 81. So both side minus minus. That means become a plus. I put plus sign here. Plus sign is here. Not actually directly plus sign. We can multiply with minus 1 left side, minus 1 on right side. So minus m into minus 1 gives me a m. And minus 1 into minus 81 gives me a 81. So a solution is m is equal to 81. Check the answer. Put the 81 on left side. So 94 minus 81. What will be the answer? Yes, correct. 13. And 13 is also right side. So my answer is correct. Okay. Look at here. Some more examples for DV multiplied and divide. 37D is equal to 111. See, student, 37D, that means 37 multiplied by D. Now only D has to remain on the left side and 37 has transposed to the right side. So what can do here? Yes, D is equal to 111 divided by 37. Can you do the division? Yes. 37 3s are. Yes, correct. Divide it. So D will become now 3. Is our solution. How to check the solution? Very simple. Put the value of D here. 37 multiplied by 3. On the place of D, I write here 3. What is the answer of this one? Yes, correct, 111. That's my right side. Same way, students, here I can found here 42 P is equal to 8. Oh, variable is in the division form. Don't worry. Variable also can shift from one side to other side. So that's why I select this example. Now 42 remain on the left side. 42 remain on the left side and P will shifted on the other side. 8P. Why it say 8P? Because this division will shifted to the other side, will goes to the multiplication with the given number. Okay. Can you write this 42 is equal to 8P like this way? 8P is equal to 42. Yes or no? No. Oh, very good, beta. See, what is this? A ball pen. A ball pen tip is here on left side. If I change the direction like this way, the ball pen become a pencil. No, it's remain as it is. So just now I change, it's shifting the place left to right and right to left. Equation remain as it is. Now our next rule, this multiplication 8 number has to go on other side, means right side. So this both are the same, only left to right or right to left. You can change anywhere. See, now 8 will move to the right side. Now what is the left side? P, and is equal to 42 divided by 8. 8 table you have to count or divide, and that is the value of 8. Yes, 8 5s are 40, and then up 2 upon 8, that means 1 upon 4. Good. Now you got the idea how to find the solution of equation. Here are steps showing us all kind of operation together. 2x plus 3 is equal to 13. Yes, my dear student, how to find? First of all, this 3 has to move on the right side. So step by step you have to find the solution. Now this 3 has to move on the right side, so it will become a 10. On left side you can find only 2x. This 3 moves to the right side, so minus 3, plus 3 to minus 3. Now this 2 green color has to go to the right side, so multiply to become a divide. By 10 divided by 5, final answer is x is equal to 5. Easy? Yes. Inverse, opposite direction, opposite sign. Understood? Let's see for one more example. 4x plus 6. No, 4x divided by 6 is equal to 14. Plus 4x plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 14. Same way, 6 has to move on right side. Then after 4x divided by 8, x is equal to 2. Third one, solve dx minus 8 is equal to 19. This minus 8 moves to the transposing to the right side, that means plus 19 plus 8, that gives me a 27. So here this step shows me a 3x is equal to 27. Now who has to move on the right side? Yes, 3 has to go. That's why it's put in the green color. Now what is the left on left side? Yes, my dear student. Now there is a x only, and right side is equal to 27 upon 3. See student, actually this is the like this way also some students are doing, that they are also right. What they are doing? They are dividing the same number on the left side as well as right side. Is it? Now cut this number. 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. Now 3 1s are 3 and 3 9s are 27. Easy? So both the type we just now add the same number but in different sign, both side. And here also division by same number, both side. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care. Be safe. Bye bye. Shabba khair.